Welcome to the installation of the Yakima TimberLine Towers with steel CoreBars. This system is a great middle-of-the-road setup to attach to most factory-raised rails with a load capacity of up to 165 pounds depending on the manufacturer's rating. Begin by removing the cover from the TimberLine tower. Simply pinch the grip points simultaneously and pull the cover off. Next, loosen the upper inner screw about 8 to 10 turns. Now loosen the strap screw. This will require up to 100 turns to fully reveal the screw underneath used to attach the CoreBar adapter. With the strap loose, attach the seat from the CoreBar kit. Put one side in at an angle and snap the other side into place. You should hear an audible click. Then line up the thread on the CoreBar adapter to the screw and hold it in place with your finger. Turn the tower around and thread the screw underneath completely until the handle on the wrench clicks multiple times in a row. Once all 4 towers are set up, slide them onto the bars. Now you are ready to attach the bars to the roof. Start by centering the tower on the raised rail and using the hash mark in the middle of the tower as a reference point. Then measure the bars and make sure it is the same on both sides. Once measured, tighten the upper inner bolt until the wrench handle clicks multiple times. This may require up to 10 to 15 turns. With the towers attached to the bars, take the metal strap and wrap it under the rail and place the silver tabs into the bottom notch of the tower. Now take your wrench and tighten the screw to the full torque until you hear the handle click multiple times. Be warned, this could take up to 100 turns in the use of both hands. It gets tiring. With the front bar installed, repeat the same steps to attach the rear bar. Be sure to measure an equal distance on both sides so that the bars are parallel to each other. To place the cover back on, line up the pegs on the cover to the holes on the tower and slide into place. Lastly, install the end caps into the bars. Additional lock cores may also be purchased to lock the cover onto the tower. Thanks for watching the installation of the Yakima TimberLine Towers with steel CoreBars. If you have any further questions, please visit rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And as always, remember, we fit your lifestyle.